Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. Somebody asked me how I made that shape. How did I make that shape of the flower? I know the video hadn't been out but just a few minutes, and somebody's already asked me. So how did I make that shape? Let's just start from scratch. Basically, all you do is take the ellipse tool, or the way I do it, just make an oval, don't hold down the control button, and then go to object and convert it to a curve, and what that does, it allows you to grab nodes. You can see the 4 nodes now. And then just take one of the nodes and just use your handle to do anything you want. I'm actually going to make it a little bit different this time. And I am going to make one of these, and maybe this afternoon I'm going to run this in 3D mode. And if you didn't watch part 1, you might want to watch it. And I am going to Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm going to move the center of rotation there. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And I just there you go. And then I just took an ellipse and put it in the center of the page. Now I am going to finish this flower and then run it, and I'll make a part 3 just to show you what it's going to look like. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.